Polaroid pics can be tricky to take if you can't seem to capture a freaking grain. Failure is good, failure is fun when you're learning with Fred at Polaroid101.
Oh, me? Yes, I'm Polaroid Fred. Oh, an autograph? Oh, wow, I'm flattered. Yes, hi. I'm Fred, and today, puppet lovers, we're troubleshooting. Where I repeat for the 1000th time that your film is best used within 12 months of its production date. As you can see, these photos were taken by a real pro. If your photos are bright like this, they're overexposed. Remember, shield your photo from light when it's developing and keep an arm of distance when using the flash. Another masterpiece, dark and underexposed. I wonder if this mustache man has ever heard of a flash. Get close, use it, and maybe, just maybe, we'll see what you were aiming for. Oh, you hear that? A lot of exposure mistakes happen here. Half pressing the shutter button locks the light settings for that particular shot. Change your mind and shoot somewhere else, your light settings will be off. What kind of blurry is your photo? Think about keeping your camera stable or using a tripod. Keep your subject still and in focus, and hold your camera still for a few seconds after you press the shutter button. Oh no. It's okay. Here we go, baby. Okay, there we go. Look here! Shook camera, moving subject, no flash, too distant.
Instant emergency! Instant emergency!
Not
Instant
this
emergency!
again. What is this? Horrible photos, terrible composition. Has nobody watched my videos? Too many bad photos. Do your photos have stripes, weird blue or pink or orange colors? Oh, look at that guy's mustache. Low contrast, undeveloped patches, or are they completely black or white? Well then, your film is well and truly puppeted. Look, my friends, your film needs love. Avoid X-ray scanners. Keep it cool and dry, flat in the fridge. Handled gently from the sides. And is best used within 12 months of production and 2 months after loading. And for puppet's sake, do not shake your developing photo. And if your pictures still show undeveloped patches despite treating your film with care, it's a classic sign of camera neglect. Clean your rollers to eliminate these defects. Same goes for these large repeating dots. Clean your camera's rollers. And what to do if your camera is just simply still not operating? Check the battery first. If not, open the film door and gently remove and reinsert the film. If the film pack isn't new, you'll sadly lose one picture from the pack. And if all that doesn't work, well, then... Write to me at Polaroid customer service. As if I don't have enough on my plate. Would it kill you to just pick up and read the user manual for once? But no, you've got to waste my time. I don't know how to make next time. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why don't you come? Where dark pictures come to die. Oh, you saw my hand. I'm so sorry. What is this guy? One more time. Always follow the safety guidelines and definitely do not eat. You absolute worm! I don't know if I'm allowed to just keep insulting him. It seems a little bit personal now. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. They made me do it. Too close.
Oh. Ta-da!
You're not doing very well with this camera, are you?
I'm not doing very well with the camera.
Fred? Real Fred?
Hey, Fred! That's better.
How do you know? It's not developed yet.
Sorry.
Oh, merde. Oh, my nose. I forgot the desk had an extra bit here.
Okay, cool.